Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the latest updates.
स्टार्ट गर्नु एउटा सानो इन्ट्रोडक्सन चाहिँ जुन चाहिँ विद्या प्रयास भइरहेको छ यसको विषयमा चाहिँ सबभन्दा पहिला चाहिँ रेस डाइरेक्ट काम चाहिँ उहाँले बाट स्टार्ट गर्छ यो विषयमा विश्वास सिन्धुले चाहिँ के विषयमा आज पेश गर्नु उहाँले चाहिँ आज विषय त उहाँले चाहिँ भन्नुहुन्छ सो प्लिज
5 kilometer, 30 kilometer and 10 kilometer, and 30 kilometer course and 65 kilometer course certified by the ITRA, and 10K is basically a fun run kind of thing, and it's just like an introductory part of a trail running. So whoever is not like very familiar for the trail running, so they can participate in 10K, but the 30K and 65K will be very demanding. The 10K category. So in 2019 it was not there because many runners like requested for that thing, like if they want to just be on the trail but they are not very like physically fit for 30K and 65K. So from that run nobody selected because there is a criteria, like out of 1000 points you need minimum 700 points just to be eligible for that selection process. But we organized another run also, like the Solang Sky Ultra. From that run 2 runners were selected. Yeah, so one was from Meghalaya, Mr. Trand, and one was from the Border Security Forces. Yeah, Radhe. Yeah.
So which part of Sikkim?
No, it's a part of West Bengal. So Darjeeling. Basically, it's come under the Darjeeling district.
You have mentioned that Rama. So I think.
So yeah, so basically it's a part of the truth. The runner will start from Rimbik. They are going to that Gurdum is another village. Then from there they climb Sandakpur. From Sandakpur to Falud, and Falud they come down to Ramam and back to Rimbik. Okay. So it's a complete loop.
It doesn't touch Sikkim.
No. It's all in west. No, it's all in Darjeeling district area. No Nepal. Yeah, on Indo-Nepal border. Yeah. No, so because it's a ITRA race, so the runner is going to get the points. So we have to pay the fee for that ITRA certification also, and it's like an AFI. So all around the world. So whichever country is going to select the runners for that world championship, so they follow that point system. From Sikkim, I think Amar will
I'll tell you later.
Yeah. So the Amar will tell. Yeah. Sir, I'm a firm believer that because everybody have a different kind of physical strengths. No? So this area are very good in mountain climbing. And like if we go for a plain, then the Haryana, Rajasthan, Punjab, that guys. So because this is the strength of you guys, no? So that's why I am here to invite the local runners so they can go to the like world championship or represent India in like UTMBs, which are the world class events. And it's not something like that. When I asked Amar, if you say that somebody is a very good runner, extremely good runner, but he is not like financially very, so even we can offer them a free entry also, because we really want like somebody from this area or like mountain areas in India can represent India in world championship and that can perform well there.
Actually, विशेष अब म लकी भनौँ है विश्वासले चाहिँ हाम्रो 2 साल बाद भएको कि लाइक अमर हामी यसो गर्नुपर्छ है के अरे एउटा जुन चाहिँ लोकल रनरको एउटा पोटेन्सियल उनीहरू एक्सपोज हुने जुन चाहिँ वर्ल्ड लेभलमा एउटा उनीहरूको एउटा पोटेन्सियलले देख्ने जसले हाम्रो हिल्समा छ। जस्तो अब मैले एउटा भन्नुपर्दाखेरि जब हामीले स्टार्ट गर्दाखेरि हामी दिल्ली मुम्बईमा आफै जानु पर्थ्यो, तर आज दिल्ली मुम्बई हरियाणाको व्यक्तिहरू चाहिँ उहाँहरू विश्वास जस्तो आएर चाहिँ आज हाम्रो उहाँले चाहिँ एउटा एज अ हाम्रो जग्गालाई पनि प्रमोट गर्दैछ, एज वेल हाम्रो लोकलहरूलाई पनि चाहिँ हाम्रो लोकलको पोटेन्सियल वर्ल्ड लेभलमा देखाउँदैछ। त द्याट इज द मेन। जस्तो अब हाम्रोमा जस्तो अब लाइक भन्छ केनियन्स होइन, केनियन्सलाई मा पोटेन्सियल, तर केनियनलाई चिनाउने मान्छे कोही थिएन त एउटा होइन। सो विश्व इज डुइङ गुड थिङ कि हाम्रो लागि, किनकि एउटा रनर्सको लागि। र हामी योपालि विश्वले की बात गरी कि दार्जिलिङमा बात गरी कि अमर सिक्किम से अच्छी जो गुड फीमेल रनर्स है उनको भी लाना ज़रूरी है।
Because there are like less competition in female categories. Even we see like normal marathon, so there are like really good runners in female categories, but in mountain running, so it's like very less participation. And last year, no, in 2019, we saw that some local girls from Rimbik, so they performed really well. So if somebody is like training hard in that area, so they can perform. And I think in 2019, no girl represent India in World Championship. So and we have 9 sports in Indian team. So basically 18 runners can go in a World Championship from a single country. So 9 male and 9 female. So only 6 male were there. So they qualified the criteria of 700 points, but no female runner were there. And I think for female, it's that point is that qualifying criteria is lesser. I think it's 600 points.
65 हुन्छ। यसमा अझै मेरो स्टुडेन्ट जो तपाईँले आज फुर्बा है, फुर्बा तामाङ, उसले पनि 65 गर्छ। जस्तो अब भारतीय बहिनीहरू छ 65 गर्दैछ। जस्तो हाम्रो दिक्षित बहिनी एउटा प्रेसकै हुनुहुन्छ सिक्किमबाट, जो इन्सपायर गर्नुहुन्छ, उहाँले 30K गर्नुहुन्छ। 35K पनि नट जोक्स हो है। अहिले चाहिँ अब हामी अहिले चाहिँ मोटामोटी अहिले हामी चाहिँ एराउन्ड 5 जना छौँ है। थ्रु तपाईँहरूको प्रेसबाट चाहिँ के भन्न चाहन्छ भने अब यो एउटा जुन चाहिँ हामीलाई अपर्च्युनिटी छ है, यसमा चाहिँ मान्छेले कम्पिटिसन गरेर आफ्नो इन्डुरेन्स पनि चेक गर्न सक्ने। र यसमा जुन चाहिँ उहाँले भन्नुभयो 1-2 जना रनर्सलाई जुन चाहिँ फ्री पनि छ, जो एउटा हाम्रोमा छ, नजरमा छ, उहाँले 2 जना फ्री पनि गर्नुहुन्छ। र उहाँले एउटा डिस्काउन्ट पनि छ यो यसमा एन्ट्री फिजमा हैन।
Yeah, and like we are offering 25% discount for Sikkim runners on the registration fees. And as I told earlier also, that if anybody is from very humble background and they are extremely good athlete, so even we are offering them free entry also. So for 65K it's 4900, and for 30 it's 3500, and for 12K it's 1900. So it include all the race kit, the medal, certificates, and during the race hydration, medical support, and after race lunch.
उहाँको थ्रुबाट जति पनि सिक्किमको रनर सबलाई मैले हिजो इन्फर्म गरेँ मोबाइल थ्रुबाट है, फोन गरेँ है, कति आउनु भ्यायो कति भ्याएन आफ्नो व्यवस्थाले। र भोलि जुन चाहिँ आज तपाईँको प्रेस गर्दा उहाँले पढ्नुहुन्छ होला है, द्याट्स टाइम उहाँले विश्वासले भन्नुहुन्छ यसको रेजिस्ट्रेसनको कुन चाहिँ छ है, कुन चाहिँ रेजिस्ट्रेसन गर्ने त्योबाट उहाँले गर्नुहुन्छ। र मलाई आशा छ, होप कि सिक्किमबाट धेरै रनर्सहरूले पार्टिसिपेट गर्छ होला। र किनभने यो चाहिँ एउटा ठुलो अपर्च्युनिटी छ हाम्रो भाइ बहिनीलाई कि इन्टरनेसनल लेभलमा उहाँको एउटा पोटेन्सियल, उहाँको एउटा इन्डुरेन्सलाई देखाउनु पर्ने हाम्रोमा त्यो क्षमता छ। र सँगसँगै आफ्नो एउटा कम्युनिटी, आफ्नो स्टेटलाई पनि रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्न सक्छ थ्रु दिस रन।
And second thing also, we also looking forward to promote that remote areas also. Like in Rimbik now, more than 200 runners will be going there, and they will be staying there for 2 days. So the locals are going to get some business also. And during that kind of that hard time, it's really good for a local business also. And we are hiring the local guides, local track leaders, just for the logistic. So we are giving business to them also. It's ITRA certified. So if you'll go to the ITRA website also, you'll go, you will find the Buddha Trails there.
Are there ranking system in India for the marathon runners? Can they by participating in
No,
do they get points?
Yeah, so for 65K, and you have to climb 3300 meter. For the ITRA calculate 65K plus 33. So it's the elevation divided by 100. So it's a total effort. So now your effort will be 100 kilometer. So for 100 kilometer world record is I think 6 hours 10 minutes. So they compare with that. So the 65, when you are going to get the points, so it will be okay, a world champion will do that that course in 6 hours 15 minutes. So it will be comparing your time. So that 1000 into the champion time divided by your time. This is our website, thehellrace.com. So that the top is our company name, yeah, the Hell Race. And on go to that website and find the Buddha Trails on the website, and there is a registration.
के छ तपाईँहरू बोल्नु सक्यो
ट्रेल रन म अलिकति ट्रेल रन चाहिँ मलाई के लाग्छ भन्दा चाहिँ अब रनिङ त अहिले थुप्रैजनाले गर्नुहुँदैछ है यो पनि गर्नुहुँदैछ अनि यसको बेस्ट पार्ट चाहिँ
दिस इज माई फर्स्ट टाइम है म 65 किलोमिटर्समा पार्टिसिपेट गर्दैछु मैले यो पहिला गरेको थिइनँ यो फर्स्ट टाइम हो अब कस्तो हुन्छ एक्सपिरियन्स होइन अनि त्यहाँदेखि गरेर चाहिँ अब थाहा हुन्छ यो फर्स्ट टाइम हो
यो फर्स्ट टाइमै हो है ट्रेल रन चाहिँ सो आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड अन्त भारतीय र म हामी यता अहिले हाम्रो ट्रेनिङ पनि चलिरहेको छ है इट्स लाइक बेसिक ट्रेनिङै गर्दैछ त्यस्तो हार्ड हिटिङ ट्रेनिङहरू केही भएको छैन तर पनि वी आर ट्राइङ आवर बेस्ट है अन्त यस अब यसलाई अब कम्पिटिसन लिएर म चाहिँ पर्सनली कुदेको छुइनँ है आइ एम जस्ट देयर टु एक्सपिरियन्स अन्त मलाई जस्ट त्यहाँको सन्दकपूको त्यो ब्युटी सँगसँगै आफ्नो यो रन पनि इन्जोय गर्नु छ है सो म चाहिँ त्यो एम लिएर जाँदैछु एन्ड यस तपाईँहरू जति पनि पार्टिसिपेट गर्नु चाहनुहुन्छ है जसले अहिलेसम्म रेजिस्टर गर्नुभएको छैन तपाईँहरू गर्नुहोस् र स्पेसली फिमेल रनर्सहरूले गऱ्यो भने झन् राम्रो किनकि सिक्किममा रनिङ कम्युनिटी त फ्लरिस हुँदैछ तर वुमेन अझै पनि कम्ती नै छ है सो वी वान्ट मोर वुमेन पार्टिसिपेन्ट्स के इन दिस ट्रेल रन थ्याङ्क यू
Like from Meghalaya, Planting is coming from Meghalaya, who represented India in World Championship, and is coming. So he's from Mysore. So I'll send